Over 200 homeowners has attended this #1 renovation event, with 100 goodies bag to be given away worth $88. What's more, visit 3 interior design firms and 3 product merchants to receive free Starbucks card and a pair of GV movie tickets. Done this special guest appearance and grand lucky draw prize of $70,000. We asked homeowner what do they like about this event.
Total, I met with 3 ID. It really helped me to understand the space and the layout. Renopedia really brought everyone together and enabled me to find out more from various vendors, and it was very, very efficient.
For us, because we are new BTO owners, yet to collect keys, so this allows us to meet different IDs, to get different ideas, inspiration from them, and it also helps to cast an idea for my future home as well.
Yes, awesome. Definitely.
Yeah, I think the Renopedia event will definitely introduce our friends here who haven't got their homes or soon to get their homes, so they can have an idea as well and go through the experience with Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Ladies and gentlemen, first prize is 3,299. Congratulations, Synchro！ 因为它有 R， 对吗？辛苦了，辛苦了。谢谢辛苦生命的会餐，还一起做直播，还有非常辛苦累到已经头发卷了的老板，辛苦了。OK， 谢谢你们，还有看直播的你们，谢谢大家，记得得奖的 PM 哦，抽到奖的朋友要 PM， 还有 follow Renopedia。
See you at the next event.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.